Hi, welcome to the Schuylkill River Valley. I'm John. Today I have a special guest and a special announcement. I hope you'll stay tuned.
Hey everybody, this is Brian with the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route coming to you from Schuylkill River Valley. I'm here with my main man, John. How are you today, John?
Brian, if I was any better, it'd be illegal. And it's really great to have you here today. It's a perfect opportunity to introduce Community Roundhouse to our model railroading friends.
That's right, the Community Roundhouse is a model railroad news show that we're going to put out each month on the same day and release it as a premiere so we can all get together and hang out. A segment of the show will be layout tours with photos sent in from the viewers with captions and voiceover commentary.
In another segment, we're going to take a look at the past month and what our fellow modelers have done with their layouts.
We're also going to be spilling out inside information that we get from our viewers on what's going to be going on in the coming month for their channel so you know what to look for.
Each month, we're going to have a live recorded interview with a fellow modeler. We'll take an in-depth look at his layout and what plans they have for the future.
Each month, we're also going to have a blooper segment, so don't delete those bloopers anymore. I need you to save them for me and send them to me. We got a webpage, we got an email address. I need you to save those bloopers. Don't delete them. Send them to John and I.
We have a webpage?
John even made a webpage. I want you to check this thing out right here.
Brian and I encourage everyone to head on over to our website at SchuylkillRiverValley.com/Community Roundhouse. This website will give you all the pertinent information on the show, including when and where to find our next broadcast. Now we'll head on over to the Get Involved page. We really want to get the community involved in this project. We want to see your layout and we want to feature it here on Community Roundhouse. If you click on the different category tabs, as you can see, you'll get complete information on how you can have your layout featured on Community Roundhouse. We hope you stop by the website, and we hope to be featuring your layout on our show.
John and I both want to encourage you to subscribe to our channels and click the bell icon because you need to keep an eye out mid-January for the announcement video of the premiere episode number 1 of the Community Roundhouse. You don't want to miss it.
Thanks a lot for watching today. It was great to have Brian here, and we hope to see you at the premiere. Thank you for spending some time with Brian and myself today. I really appreciate your support. And I'd like to take this opportunity to wish a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy, and safe New Year to you and yours. Till next time.